Hello and welcome to our channel, where we're all about satisfying your cravings with delicious and nutritious meal ideas. I'm your host, Naim, and in today's video, we're going to be sharing 7 amazing meal options that are perfect for everyone. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or just looking for new and healthy meal options, these meals are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to fuel your body and keep you feeling great. Meal 1. Quick and easy breakfast bowl. I'm Kimberly, your host. Our first meal idea is a quick and easy breakfast bowl that's perfect for busy mornings. All you need is a base of yogurt or oatmeal, topped with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. It's a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. To make this breakfast bowl, simply take a bowl of yogurt or oatmeal and add your favorite toppings. I like to add sliced bananas, blueberries, almonds, and chia seeds for added texture and flavor. This breakfast bowl is easy to make and can be customized to your liking. Meal 2, Healthy Lunch Salad. Host. For a healthy and satisfying lunch, try making a delicious salad. This meal is easy to make and you can use whatever ingredients you have on hand. I like to start with a base of greens, add some veggies, and top it off with some protein like chicken, tofu, or nuts. This is how the lunch salad is prepared. Host. To make this salad, start with a base of greens like spinach, arugula, or romaine. Then add your favorite veggies like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. Top it off with some protein like chicken, tofu, or nuts and add your favorite dressing. This salad is a delicious and nutritious lunch option that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Transition to third meal idea. Try making a delicious stir-fry. This meal is perfect for using up leftover veggies and can be customized to your liking. This is how the stir-fry is prepared. Host. To make this stir-fry, simply heat some oil in a pan and add your favorite veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots. Add in some protein like chicken, tofu, or shrimp, and season with soy sauce. Meal 4. Hearty vegetable soup. Our fourth meal idea is a comforting and nutritious vegetable soup. This soup is perfect for cold days and is a great way to use up any veggies you have on hand. This is how the vegetable soup. To make this vegetable soup, start by sautéing some onions, garlic, and carrots in a pot. Then add in some broth and any veggies you have on hand like potatoes, tomatoes, and green beans. Season with your favorite spices and herbs, and let it simmer until the veggies are tender. This hearty vegetable soup is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and is sure to warm you up on chilly days. Meal 5, Tasty fish tacos. For a fun and delicious meal, try making fish tacos. This meal is perfect for a summer evening and is a great way to enjoy some seafood. This is how the fish tacos are prepared. To make these fish tacos, start by grilling or baking some fish fillets. Then, warm up some tortillas and top them with your favorite toppings like shredded lettuce, avocado, and salsa. Serve with a side of rice or beans for a complete and delicious meal. These fish tacos are a fun and tasty way to enjoy some seafood and are sure to be a hit with your family. Meal 6, Fresh and Filling Smoothie Bowl. Our next meal idea is a fresh and filling smoothie bowl. This meal is perfect for a quick breakfast or snack and is a great way to get in some fruits and veggies. This is how the smoothie bowl. To make this smoothie bowl, simply blend your favorite fruits and veggies with some yogurt or milk. I like to use frozen berries, bananas, spinach, and almond milk. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top it with your favorite toppings like granola, nuts, and fresh fruit. This smoothie bowl is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day or enjoy a midday snack. Meal 7, Grilled Veggie Skewers. Our final meal idea is grilled veggie skewers. This meal is perfect for a summer barbecue or an easy weeknight dinner. This is how the veggie skewers are prepared. To make these veggie skewers, simply skewer your favorite veggies like cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. Brush with some olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Grill until the veggies are tender and charred. These grilled veggie skewers are a delicious and healthy way to enjoy some summer flavors and are sure to be a hit at your next barbecue.
Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these 7 delicious and nutritious meal ideas. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more meal ideas and cooking videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.